Hey guys, Beast again from Geek Guys, and in today's video we are going to unbox the Bullet Wireless Z earbuds by OnePlus. Now I got them today, so let's get started with the unboxing and see if they are really worth the hype of and 2000 rupees price tag that they have. So let's dig in. So this is the packaging. It has a plastic layer over the top. So let's keep this to the side. See this, there is warp charge, long battery life, magnetic control. These are waterproof. They are written waterproof, but they are water resistant. There is some IP rating in that. Quick switch. They also guarantee low latency for gaming as well. And the best feature that I like is you charge it for 10 minutes and you'll get a battery life of 10 hours. So let's see, they slide out like this. So this is a representation of the earbuds. Let's keep this to the side. There's a flap. So the earbuds are in this. Let's keep this to the side for a minute. So this is the user guide I've got, and accessories also. So this side is for accessories. So this is the cute little Type-C cable that we get, and it is in red color and OnePlus logo on these. So let's keep this to also the side. Let's see what's more. So these are the tips. I think so medium will be pre-applied, and let's see what else. Nothing on this side. I guess accessories, I don't think so we get stickers. There is no pouch or anything. Cable care, that's all documents. So let's keep these to the side, and this just say never settle, the logo. So the main thing that I'm interested in these, so let's keep these to the side, and these ear tips also. The cable is quite cute. So these are the earbuds. These are taped here, and let's remove this.
A few moments later.
So here are the earbuds. Okay, they are really digged in. Okay, so this is it. There is a OnePlus branding here. This is the Type-C port you can see here. This is the quick switch button that we were talking about. These are the drivers. Okay, so they are angled, and on the other end, let's see what. Oh, on the other end it's nothing. So I guess all the things that are done are using this. Okay, now volume controls, nothing. Oh, so sorry, I forgot it. So this is plus minus for the volume, and this is for picking up and receiving calls. The mic is also inbuilt in this, and they also have this magnetic feature, so they get like this magnet, and it also turns it off. So let's see if they have some juice. Let's connect to the power. Let's see, the power bank here. Okay, so let's plug them in. Okay, so the red light indicates that it's charging. I think so there will be some juice left, so let's keep this to the side and focus on these. So I think so for this, oh, I have to disconnect these. So these are on. As you can see here, the white light is blinking. It is white. This is rubberized material, guys, so it will be a little comfortable on your neck. This is some sticker, you can remove it. Okay, so let's see if the white light is blinking. Oh, I turned it off, see? And I think so if I remove it, see, the instant I remove it, let's see, it's gone, and now it's on. So it's quite a good feature, and that will also prevent your battery life. So trying it out with my iPhone, because iPhone does not have aptX codec like the Android has. So let's connect with the Android non-Android device. So these are the OnePlus Wireless Z Bullet earbuds. Let me focus in. Light is not blinking, it is blinking like this, so I think so it is connected. So let's I'll play some music for myself and give you the first impressions for it, and also connected with my other device. Sorry guys, I cannot connect right now with an aptX device because the phone I'm shooting with has the aptX codec in it. So I'll give my thoughts about that also in the later part of the video, but for now let's see how well it sounds with this iPhone. So guys, I've connected this to my iPhone and I was listening to it and right away they blew my mind away. So the voice control also, as you can see here, the voice control also works, and even the play pause works. As you can see here, this got paused and the play also works. So I think so these are works pretty nice with the iPhone. So let's turn off the Bluetooth here and let's hop into an Android phone. So the OnePlus Z, I want to pair it. Okay, so here it shows the battery life. As you can see here, the battery life it's showing active, and let's see if it shows any codec. C. So it has HDACC codec in which it is showing. So let's listen to some music. I'll listen to some music in this and give you my raw thoughts about it in the later part of the video.
2,000 years later.
So guys, I was testing it with the Android device, and if you see, the audio quality is amazing, fabulous. You can see how quick they are. Attach the magnets and the music stopped. So this is how quick they are. The Bluetooth 5 in these are really good, and the ear tips are also quite snug in the ear. They are blocking quite a lot of surround sound, the sound that I am having, the noise. So it is cancelling that also. The battery life I cannot say in this brief video. So regarding the battery life, I'll tell you afterwards. But for the comfort that I have wore them for an hour and so it is very comfortable, and the audio quality is great. The bass are very punchy, the trebles are quite good, and the bass is really there. You can feel it, that there is thump in the sound. All in all, I think so these are quite good for 2,000 rupees. And for latency also, I didn't found any latency issues in these. So regarding the latency also, these are just banging. Regarding the charging also, you can use them for 20 hours if they are fully charged. So as you can see here, 20 hours is most that you are gonna get out of them. And for if you charge it for 10 minutes using a dash charger, 10 hours straight, you will get. The ear tips, the medium one fit me just fine. You can choose from the small or I think so the large one that they are bundling in. So you can choose either of these, but the medium ones just fit me just fine. For the price point, I think so I was previously using these MI ear dots, so these were my go-to, but I think so now when I feasted my ears with these, so I think so these will be my go-to. So that is it guys for this video. Give it a thumbs up, thumbs down if you liked it, if you hated it.